Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Papercrafts and Planners, and I'm showing my face today. I'm not very comfortable doing that, but this is not a beauty channel, it's a crafty channel, so I am not going to get all dolled up to do it. I've been outside, I'm kind of windblown, but I wanted to do this with my face for a couple of reasons. Number one, I have a little bit of a haul to show you of some really cute things, and my crafting desk, I could not shoot down at it because it is in chaos. And I also wanted to show you the chaos behind me. Yes, there is a lot of chaos. If you watched my video where I show my new Crafter's Companion crafting desk and a little bit of my crafty space, I talked about my granddaughter coming and staying in this room for a while, and then I needed to make space for her and how I was going to do that. And they're in their own home now, my daughter's family. So I brought all the stuff back in. I brought it out of storage, I brought it out of closets, all these places I stash things, not just for my crafty space, but a lot of our home, so that we can make room for a family of 6. They have 4 kids. So it was quite an ordeal getting ready for them. And now that they've found their own place, we have to put everything back the way it goes. And this is sort of taking a while. So anyway, I wanted to show you the chaos and admit to it because it is bad. And then hopefully I can come back with some reorganization ideas and how did I get it put back together and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm hoping for that. Also, let me show you the HSN haul, and I'm going to hold it up and show it to you. There were some stamp sets and a little die that goes with them that I thought was so adorable. Now HSN, if you don't know, they have like a craft day. I think it's one Tuesday a month. And I'm going to put my old lady glasses on so I can kind of see what I'm showing you and not get confused about it because I can't read it. So there was a set of 3 stamps that I thought were just so cute. And this is all Christmas stuff. So they are these sort of peekaboo stamps. So on the front, let me see if I can show you. On the front facing is this little penguin in one of them. And the word Christmas and the penguin head is like a die cut, right? And so I know I'm not putting my finger in the right place. And then there is a back side to the penguin. So you can stamp the back side of the penguin and also all sorts of different things and some sentiments that go along with the Christmas. So there's a penguin, there is a Santa Claus, and the back side of the Santa has a bag with gifts in it. So cute. You can just see him peeking out of a chimney or something like that. I just think it's adorable. And then there is a reindeer. And one of the examples they did with the reindeer cuts out Mary, and the Santa has the word Santa, and then all the stamps that go with. But one of the things they showed with the reindeer was on the back end 3 reindeers in a row, like he was standing on their shoulders, and it was just so adorable. And then I bought the die that goes with this that will cut out sort of the oval shape and the rounded square shape, and they don't cut out at the bottom. So I just thought this would be really a lot easier than trying to die cut a square partial. You know how you can do that, but I thought this would be so easy. The stamps were like, I think $22 or something for all the set of 3. And then I don't remember what the die was, but if these things are still available, I will put the proper names for them. They're from Crafter's Companion, so that you can find them on HSN, because I think that's the only way they sell them. Okay, the second item I bought was kind of the third, if you count those dies, I guess, was this die, and here's some of the pieces, and then there's the back side. It makes a scalloped bag, a bow, snowflakes, just all sorts of stuff, tags. And there are 2 stamp sets that go with, and I apologize because you're catching a glare, I know. But they say things like, don't open till December 24th, Happy Holidays, no peeking, Merry Christmas, you've been, and then there's check boxes that say naughty or nice. I mean, just cute. And then polka dots and checks and just all sorts of stuff. And they're really clear instructions, like 2-piece instruction sheets. And then I'll show you some of the examples they sent along. So aren't those scallop bags just so cute? And I know you're probably seeing some of it a little backwards or wonky from the way I'm holding it, but I just thought, oh my gosh, this is adorable. And this is an auto ship if you choose for it to be. You could just buy this one set and that's it, or you can put it on auto ship and get every 2 months a different seasonal look to your things. I think the next one is going to be like a Valentine's Day, and then there's going to be some kind of spring and summer and then Halloween. So it's a year's worth of auto ship if you want to do that. But I don't know if I'm going to do that, but I've got the first one now, and once I start playing with it, I'll decide, I guess, if I'm going to continue with auto ship. But I'm really excited to work with those. So I hope you'll come back and see what I do with those, with these new items from HSN. and also what I do with the chaos that is my craft room right now. I am so, so lucky to have a craft room, and I do know that. It's because we're pretty much empty nesters now, and we had four kids. Well, we have four kids. We have four kids, and so we had a lot of bedrooms, and I could turn one into my own crafty space. And I really appreciate having it, but as I said, I'm not the neatest crafter in the world, and so it's a constant purging and reorganizing, and so I'm about to do it again. So I hope you'll come back and check that out too. But thank you so much for watching, everybody. Happy crafting.